Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I show you how to change or set your time and date in Windows 11 correctly. Let's go. First go to the taskbar here on the right side and right click on this date and time. Adjust date and time. Here you have all your options. First set time automatically on off if you want to change it manually. Click on change and here you can set your time and date manually. Click on change and everything is set. If you want to have it automatically, turn it on again. You can also change the time zone if it's not correct. In my case it's Germany, so Amsterdam, Berlin, Bern, Rome, Stockholm and Vienna is correct. And yes, if you have a problem with your time zone or times in general and it's not automatically the right one, you can change it to off and on again, and this can help to fix it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.